going to prepare some egg salad, keto egg salad. So let me get started. I'm making a very small egg salad. Go ahead and chop up the eggs and get that ready for the salad. Just remove all these from the bowl until I chop them up. My eggs are a little overcooked. I cooked them in the Instant Pot. For some reason, by the time I could open the top of it, of the Instant Pot, they overcooked. So I'm gonna try steaming them for 2 minutes the next time, and hopefully I come out with a perfect egg. But it's all good. When I was growing up, we always had overcooked eggs, but it didn't stop us from eating them. They were still good. Still good. And I'm making a small egg salad because Bill doesn't like egg salad. So this is just for me. Okay. And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayo. All right. And let me put the top on this mayo and place it back in the refrigerator. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon of mustard, yellow mustard. Okay. And I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Since it's summer, I like eating a lot of salads. And if you have a large family, you can probably do a dozen eggs and just, mix it until it get kind of smooth. I like mine kind of chunky though, but yeah, mix it until it gets smooth if that's what you like. And I'm gonna add some black pepper. And that's my egg salad. Okay, I'm going to show you what I use for my regular salad. It's a mixed salad. I wash the mixed greens and placing them in a bowl here. 1 avocado out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to cut that up over my salad. Come on out of there, seed. This is a nice soft one, just right. I try to eat at least 1 avocado a day with my salad. It tastes good, I just love it. So remove my salad back over here. And let me place it in the bowl here, my salad bowl. And I always sprinkle a little sea salt over my avocado. Okay, I'm gonna move it out of the way because I'm gonna make my salad dressing. I got a lemon here, I have the squeezed that, olive oil, and vinegar, and just a little Stevie. Okay, I added 1 cup of lemon and apple cider vinegar, 1 cup extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. That's a teaspoon of black pepper. Just a little bit of stevia. I'm gonna taste it again. That's pretty good. I still need to add some more salt. So that's 3 teaspoons of salt in there. So mix it again. Chop up some garlic cloves. Put it in there. And I'm going to add some oregano to it. And that's it. And that's like a half a teaspoon of oregano. So if you like these 3 recipes, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.